it's me again, Kennedy, your favorite girl. And today, my mom is going to show you how she blow dries my hair. But before we do that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and give a big thumbs up for me. So right now, my mom has just finished washing my hair and is going to deep condition it. She is using the Avocado Creme Moisture Repairing Mask by Alikay Naturals. It has avocado oil to help reduce breakage and strengthen, peppermint oil to help with hair growth, and aloe vera juice for moisture. And what I like about it is that it has a green color, like an avocado, and that my hair felt so soft. So now, my mom is putting on a plastic cap and using a deep conditioning cap that my cousins made for me for my birthday last year. It's amazing and filled with flax seeds. You put them in the microwave for a few minutes, then you put them on your head. It's great. Please check the iCards above for my video, and my cousin's details are in the description box below if you want to purchase one. My mom has washed out the deep conditioner and is ready to blow dry my hair. Sorry guys, our battery died. So while it was charging, she blow dried one side of my hair and is now doing the other side. She is using my favorite leave-in conditioner by Camille Naturals Kids line. She is putting it on a small section of hair to add moisture and help with detangling. In a smaller section, she is using the Creme of Nature Smooth and Shine Blowout Cream and the Smooth and Shine Polisher. Yeah! The blow dry cream protects your hair from the heat of the blow dryer, making your hair frizz-free and smooth. The Smooth and Shine Polisher protects from heat, making your hair frizz-free and shiny. Both products smelled very good, and my hair looked very nice and shiny. Remember, you don't need to use both products. My mom blow dries the ends of my hair first, then works her way up to the roots. She uses the dryer pick to smooth and straighten my hair. She uses high heat, then uses the cold setting when my hair is fully dry, which helps with frizz. The hair is lightly detangled, twisted, then she moves on to the next section. Now, my mom wanted to do something different. She wanted to try the tension method to blow dry the rest of my hair. The method protects your hair from breakage that might happen when using a dryer pick, a comb, or a brush as you blow dry. The blow drying did not take long, and it was fun because I was on my computer at education.com. It was great. Now, my hair is nice and shiny and dry. On this side, she used the tension method. On the other side, she used the dryer pick. I like the dryer pick side better. What do you guys think? Either way, I love my hair. Thanks for watching. Bye!